machine from Blue Elephant from China, and today all team is here to install a CNC machine and give training to me. They are very helpful, and I am very happy to serve from Blue Elephant staff, and I definitely recommend to buy a CNC machine from Blue Elephant China. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And have all of this one.
Yeah, also
So he made
retesting
it
a machine.
himself.
It's very good, you know. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, this one and any others? Only this one?
Yeah. This one and
And this one?
the French one, this straight line,
This one,
this one,
The straight lines.
straight lines.
which I showed you there.
Okay.
This is already in.
This one we need to measure. Measure the distance.
Yeah, 25
no,
mm
bit,
different.
25.
And the bit size is 12 mm.
Center to center.
Which one?